In this video, we show how to replace the right control panel in an R470. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the right control panel, disconnect the cable from the system and unroute it from the slots, pulling it out from underneath that clip. Then remove the two screws that secure the control panel in place. And slide the control panel out of the system. To install the right control panel, align it with the side of the system and slide it into place. Return the two screws to secure the control panel. Then reroute the cable, sliding it under its clip and under and through the cable guides. Get those back into place and then reconnect it to the system. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R470, visit dell.com/support.